Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. Coming up in BL tonight, we got a number of earnings reports. They're coming out on the JSE, that's the Jamaica Stock Exchange. First up, though, we got Carreras Limited, a dividend consideration here. That is Carreras, one of the greatest cash flow stocks on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, as well as one of the bellwether companies. They tend to always rebound if their earnings drop a bit. Bottom line here, though, advisory by Carreras. The board of directors will be getting together on August 9th to consider an interim dividend to its ordinary shareholders. Now, getting to the earnings, they're coming out for the second quarter for most companies. Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited, ticker symbol PTL, talk about earnings here surging 175%. We're going to reiterate that on Business Live, 175%. Talk about not just a turnaround year by Paramount Trading, a huge year. This is for the year ended May 31st, 2022. Earnings per share rebounding incredibly, 11.3 cents Jamaican versus 4.1 cents Jamaican year over year. Net profit for the year end, 174.5 million versus 63.6 million. Caribbean Assurance Brokers Limited, recently listed just a couple of years ago. CAB on the JSE, registering another profitable quarter under the leadership Tanya Waldron Gooden for the second quarter 2022. That's the June 30th quarter here. Net profit 2.6 million Jamaican versus a net loss previous year 13.4 million. Now the figure is not huge, it's not astronomical, but the bottom line is it's profitable. CAB really turning the corner here. Now the total revenue improved during the second quarter, 91.5 million Jamaican versus 80.7 million Jamaican. Mayberry Jamaican Equities, updated net asset value here by them, ticker symbol MJE, as at July 27th, just above Jamaican 17 per share to be exact, 17.26 per share here by them. Last up tonight, before you head into the weekend, Caribbean Cement Company Limited coming out with their earnings as well too, growing the top line, the revenue by just under 10%, 9.8% growth for the 6 months results, slowing down a bit, but still a nice fair growth in their top line here by Caribbean Cement Company, Triple C. These are the 6 months numbers ending June 30th, 2022. Revenue growth was fair to 13.5 billion from 12.3 billion. Strong earnings growth slowed overall. One of the concerns there overall for Caribbean Cement. We'll see how that goes going forward. The 6 months earnings saw net profit 3.04 billion versus 3.09 billion. So let's say flattish or slightly lower. Earnings per share similarly, $3.57 Jamaican versus $3.63 year over year for the 6 months. Have a fantastic weekend. Happy Friday. This is Business Live.